Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be going hiking alone. It's my first solo hike. I'm going to go to Grouse Mountain. It's my first time ever doing the Grouse Grind, and I've been wanting to do this since I was in high school, and I'm in my third year of university for reference. So it's been a while, but I have decided to not wait for my friends or family and just do it. So I'm going to do it. It's the last day before school starts. It's September 8th. Tomorrow's September 9th. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I have to drive because it's already 8:30. Okay, bye. If only I knew what was going to happen next. So I have a flat tire. So I'm waiting for my mom. I didn't even make it like three blocks. And I'm at the gas station, and I was trying to fill the tire, and well, it didn't work because I couldn't unscrew it. So I don't know what's going on. I'm lost, confused, and sad because A, either I can't hike, or B, I will start really late and it's gonna be hot, and no. Hi, still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm so sleepy. I'm actually falling asleep. I can't stop. The gas station's right behind me. You know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna get coffee. I'm so tired. I'm gonna get coffee. And I'm just gonna live life. Yeah. Cute. Okay, bye. I'm at the tire place because I think I need to get new tires. My mom came and she just whoop, and the screw came off. So it was really embarrassing. But the tires are filled, and I think I damaged them. Pretty sure I damaged them driving to the gas station, so I have to go get them replaced. No matter. Yeah, it was that one. I'm vlogging. Anyways, yeah, I think, okay, bye. Hey everyone, I forgot to vlog this, but I'm doing the grind right now. Okay, where did I start? I, for one, had a headache, and it's because I forgot to eat before the hike, and so I had to sit down. I had to be like, hey, what do I do? And basically a kind stranger gave me their apple and an Advil. I'm feeling much better now. I'm approaching the halfway point, which is really exciting. And they're not lying when they said that it is a difficult hike. I wish I went with someone, but again, no one wants to go with me, so gotta do it myself. But otherwise, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. Yeah. But geez, so many mosquitoes here. I'm a little exhausted, but otherwise I'm good. I'm sorry if I'm mumbling, I'm sorry. I'm just all over the place. Okay, bye-bye. I'm on the mountain. I'm on the mountain. I have no clue where I'm walking, but I'm just trying to cool off. I have a bag of nuts and dried fruits that I'm munching on. My headache is significantly better. I do have a slight one though. I think I need to eat proper food. But otherwise, guys, I'm so shocked. Like at the quarter mark, I was like literally sitting down there for 10 minutes. Like, should I keep going or should I stay down, you know? And I decided to go. I don't think I recommend it though. Smart me would have went down, but it's fine. Ooh. Look at the... Aw, you little chipmunk. I've never actually been on the mountain during a sunny day. So I didn't even know there's a wind turbine here. Oh, that's shocking. Yeah, this is so cool. Okay, peace. Hey everyone, I'm back. It's me, with makeup on, hair washed. But I'm at my friend's house and we are going to go eat because I'm so hungry. I don't know where we're going to eat, but hopefully it's good. I'm really craving poke, but she doesn't like poke, so that's fine. I won't force her. Oh, this lighting is okay. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm out with Noel. That's my friend, and we are gonna eat. Who else would I do? We got this espresso martini and this apple pie. Noel just cannot wait to dig in. Okay, so that's the vlog. It ended up quite abruptly and I apologize for that. We just ate and hung out and I just went home. And oddly, I wasn't sore at all the next day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and any important figures in my life in the future, hello, this is past Yelda speaking to future Yelda, and yeah, and this is Kiwi right here, taking care of her for a couple of weeks. Look at her, she's so fat, she's so thick. Okay, bye.